down in the position and got ready to run. And he started running. Derek Redmond was running in the Olympics. Who would have ever thought that this black boy would make it to the Olympics? People there from all over the world, and his daddy was cheering him, and he was running. He ran the first lap. He did real good. He was coming around ahead of all of them. In the second lap, he was doing real good until he pulled his Achilles heel and he went down. And then, okay, the crowd gasped. He went down. They were coming with the stretchers to get him. But he got up and he started hopping. You see, he was hopping in pain. And it was kind of stupid because he had no chance of winning. They had already spun past him, and he was still hopping and crying because his daddy was watching. And he was trying to make it around the turn. And his daddy came out there, and he got up under Dennis, and he was hopping. The race was over. Everybody else had gone through the finish line, and his daddy was pulling him along, saying, "Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Don't stop him. It's not about winning. It's about finishing. I taught my boy to finish, and I don't care if it takes all night. We're gonna make it across the finish line." And I came to tell you this morning, I don't care if it takes all night. I don't care if I have to cry and crawl and groan. I'm gonna cross. This Sunday morning, you may not come in first. You may not get a trophy. You may not be honored or recognized or even appreciated. But this is not about them. This is about you. This is about a God who is Alpha and Omega and the beginning and the end. And you may not finish pretty, and you may not look good, and you may not make the front page of the paper, and they may all be talking about you, and they all may be saying you're nothing and a failure and a reject. But the Lord sent me out here this morning to tell you, keep on hopping. Keep on hopping. If you hold out a little while longer, you'll make it.